Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Storytime for September 16th, 2024, Part 2. This week's theme is Creativity. Play with Clay by Jenny Pinkerton. It was a blob until I formed it. It was a ball until I rolled it. It was a snake until I coiled it. It was a flower pot until I broke it. It was lots of little pieces until I made them into something new. It was a flower until I smushed it. It was pink and yellow until I mixed it. It was an orange until it wasn't. It was so many things. But now it's time to put it away. Until next time. The end. Okay, we're going to sculpt with clay. So what you'll need is anything that you need to sculpt with. So if you want, you can get like a plastic knife or a rolling pin or cookie cutters, anything like that. I'm just going to use my hands. Your craft to go kit is just some clay. So we'll open that up. This is air dry clay, so it should dry in 2 to 3 days. So just kind of leave it alone. Just soften it up with your hands. And then you can rip it apart and make different pieces. I think I'm going to try to make a coil vase, like in the book. So I'm going to go ahead and work on my sculpture, and I'll come back when it's finished. Well, this is how my pot turned out, my little vase. It's probably got some holes in it, but I worked hard on it. It'll be just for decoration. You can let this go for 2 to 3 days and then paint it if you want, or you could just leave it white. That's up to you. But that's how my sculpture turned out. I hope you guys like your sculptures too.